Hi there. We will start by finding out how many gathering points relevant to space or space as one of the action item. Now, when you look at what exactly the gathering point, a gathering point is a place where you're going to gather the unprocessed items. So when I talk about unprocessed items, the things like your emails or your tasks or your messages or your ideas or maybe a busy work task or your assignment, these all are might be things like uncompressed or unprocessed items. So when we look at these unprocessed items, uh, which means you're not clear and you have not decided it, either you wanted to do it with it or when to do it and how to do it and where it is home. So home is a place where you want to put it all these things, so which we are going to learn in the upcoming lectures. If any one of those three things were missing, what, when or where, then that place of where the item is located is a gathering point. I hope you got what exactly the gathering point. Let's actually download and try to work on this assignment. You can download from this lecture resource section. There's a PDF file. Try to print or try to write it down, and let me open up that file and explain to you how it looks like. So this is a file which we are talking about. So all the gathering points, like you may have course specific things or assistant specific things, calendars, clothing, pockets, desktop, or maybe task, emails, or so and so, many of things. So you try to write for each of the gathering points. Some of the examples are given here. For example, calendars, maybe a calendar from emails, or maybe Outlook calendar, or from the paper calendar, or maybe a reminder. So all that consider as a one gathering point, and try to write down here the number of things you wanted to write. Let's see here, if I take it here, the emails, maybe 5 6 here as the email. So let's take here the inbox, maybe 4 or 5 different email accounts you have, for example personal, office, or family, or such things. Maybe you can count as each one of the email box and give a number here as a 5 example. If you have the 5 accounts like that, give all the numbering for each of the gathering points. That would gives you a count which is specific to a number. And I'm gonna evaluate that, or you can self-evaluate that with the scoring card. So let's pause this video for a minute and try to perform this activity. I hope you come back after passing this, and let's begin. Now, if you're wondering with your scoring, there are different scoring which we can say that maybe 10 to 100 plus as the number of gathering action items. If we just put it as a count in the scale of 1 to 100 plus, there are 3 different category people you can find out. So if your score is falls between 10 to 20, then you are focus master. And normally the people who does this, the evaluation would go for an average of scoring of 30 to 40 between. There are few people always fall into 100 plus. They are the chaos masters, and we would be explaining more about your scoring. This is the general graph, okay, and the actual graph, it should be into a different way altogether, because when you have more points like 100 plus or maybe a 10 30 40, it would be really difficult for us to manage all those things. So how to manage, how to go for a clean desk or clean space mechanism, we are going to learn in the next lecture.